You're like a professional. A few boards down, we had to use planer to plane off some of the framing that was not lining up, big hump. But we got a few more boards and finish. I'm gonna show you what I do here with very dense material or very hard material, since you know it goes in really hard. You don't want to go in all in one force. You go in and out. That way it kind of cuts it in, and then pull back out. Otherwise you'll strip the screw. Now you can attach your bracket and it doesn't break, doesn't strip. Good thing. Got ourselves a grab rail out of ePay. It looks good. Doing final touch up, do some caulking here. Everything clean and swept, and we are out of here. Tomorrow morning we'll grab the trailer and our ladders and get out of here, go to another job.